Hello everyone. In this part 3 of sequencing series, I'll let you know how we have to solve the questions related to arithmetic progression. You know very well, if we have any sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, then this is an AP. Why? Because exceeding minus previous is here too, and here also A3 minus A2, it means exceeding minus previous is 2, which is constant. That's why this sequence is an arithmetic progression. T is called as the common difference, and normally we will take the first term as a only. Now, on the basis of this, look at this thing, we have this question and we have to show that this is equal to this, and A1, A2, A3 and so on, AN are in AP where AI greater than 0. Because all these things are in AP, therefore A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to D and so on. What is this? AN minus 1 is equals to D. Because we have to use this part, so therefore now we will use the process of rationalization. After doing the rationalization, it will provide root A2 minus A1 upon what is this thing? This become A2 minus A1 plus root A3 minus A2 root A2 upon this is A3 minus A2 plus and so on. What is this? Plus root AN minus root AN minus 1 upon what is this? AN minus 1. Now what we are observing, this is D from first equation. So 1 upon D is common. This is root A2 minus A1, and when we will add on this thing, then what will be left? We will left with root AN, because this term is cancelled out by this, and after that this term is cancelled out by this. So our left part is root AN minus root A1 upon what is this thing? This is already D only, so we will have left part only this much, and rest of all internal terms will be cancelled out. Now look at this thing again, we will do the process of rationalization. So what this become? Root AN plus root A1, and this is upon root AN plus root A1. Now 1 upon D, this is A minus B, A plus B, this is AN minus A1 upon root AN plus root A1. Now we will put the values. 1 upon D, AN means A plus N minus 1 into D, and first term is always A only, we will consider this part. This is root AN plus root A1. Now after solving this thing, A cancel out and 1D will be cancelled out by this one. It means the remaining part is N minus 1 root AN plus root A1, and this is the answer. So this is the way to solve this very important question. Now look at this thing. In question number 2, the ratio of the sum of m and n terms of an AP is m square ratio n square, and we have to show that its mth and nth term is 2m minus n 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. So you will say let A and D be the first term and the common difference. First term and the common difference of given AP. First term and common difference of given AP respectively. Of given AP respectively. Now, once we will see this thing according to the question, ratio of sum of m upon n terms is equals to m square upon n square. Now what is the meaning of this thing? M upon 2, 2a plus m minus 1 into d upon what is this? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to m square upon n square. 1 mm cancel out. This is now what is 1 by 2 cancel out. 2a plus m minus 1 into d, and this is into n is equals to m into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now look at this thing. We are collecting the terms 2a common, from this n minus m, and here plus n into m minus 1 minus m into n minus 1 into d is equals to 0. 2a n minus m, multiply this thing, nm minus n minus mn, and what is this? This is plus m, d is equals to 0, n minus m, what is left here? 2a plus, what is this? N minus m here, 2a plus, this is nm minus mn, n m minus mn cancel out, and from here what is left? Take minus common. Once you will take minus common, what is left here? M minus m d is equals to 0. It means 2a is equals to d only. This is the equation number 1. Now look at this thing. We have to find out the ratio of mth and nth term. Am upon an. What is this? A plus m minus 1 into d. A plus n minus 1 into d. Now a plus m minus 1. What is the value of dA? D 2a. A plus n minus 1 into 2a. This is the from equation 2. Now from equation 2 this value. Now what is the common? 2a, a is common. What is left? 1 plus 2m minus 2. Here also a is common. What is left? 1 plus 2n minus 1. It means this become am upon an is equals to 2m minus 1 upon 2n minus 1, and this is the answer. Now let's do the solution of question number 3rd. Now in question number 3rd, the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio of 5n plus 4, ratio of 9n plus 6. Find the ratio of their 18 terms. Now let a, a1 and d, d1 be the first terms and the common differences of two APs. Now it is given sum of n terms Sn upon Sn dash is equals to 5n plus 4 upon, what is this thing? 9n plus 6. Now what is the meaning of this? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d upon n by 2. What is this? 2a a1 plus n minus 1 into d1 is equals to 5n plus 4 upon, what is this thing? 9n plus 6. Now this cancel out. Suppose we have to find out the 18 term. A18 means what is this thing? A plus 17d. Therefore we will make it a only by taking 2 common from both sides. It means a plus n minus 1 upon 2 d upon a1 plus n minus 1 upon 2 d1 is equals to 5n plus 4 upon 9n plus 6. Now what this become? This is the part of this part, this thing, this is the equation number 1. Now for 18 term this factor should be 17 only because a plus 17d. So for 18th term, for 18th term, what we have? N minus 1 upon 2 must be equals to 17. It means n should be equals to, what is this thing? 35. Therefore from equation 1, what we will put? N is equals to 35. So what this become? A plus 35. It means 34 a plus 17d upon a plus a1 plus 17 d1 is equals to 5 into 35 plus 4 upon 9 into 35 plus 4. Sorry, 9 into 35 plus 4. Now 5 into 35 means 5 3 are 15 and this is 17 plus 4 upon 9 into 35 plus 4. It means after solution what will come? 179 upon, what this become? The resultant is, now this is 9 5 ja, this become 179 upon 321. So this is the ratio of their 18 term. A18 upon A dash 18 is equals to 179 upon 321, and this is the answer. So this is the way to do this very important questions Now look at this thing. If we will see about the question number 4. So in question number 4, in an AP, the first term is 2. So A is 2 and the sum of the first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 term. So sum of the first 5 terms, it means S5 is equals to first 5 terms is 1/4 of the next 5 terms. 1/4 of the next 5, how will we find out? S10 minus S5. यानी कि टोटल S10 में से अगर हम फर्स्ट S5 माइनस कर दें तो व्हाट वी विल फाइंड आउट? नेक्स्ट सम ऑफ नेक्स्ट 5 टर्म्स. सो S5 is equals to S10 upon, first do the cross multiplication, S10 minus S5, it means 5S5 is equals to S10. Here we have to find out the 20th term. Now first apply the rule 5 by 2, 2A, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. 5 minus 1 into D, what is this? 10 by 2, 2A plus 10 minus 1 into D. This is 2 cancel out. 5 2 is 10. It means what is become 5? What is the value of A? A value of A is 2. It means 4 plus 40. This is 2. What is this? 4 plus, this is 90. Now 5 4 is 20 plus 20D. What is the meaning of this? 8 plus 18D. Now 20, this become 2D is equals to minus 12. It means D is equals to minus 6. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out its 20th term. A20 is equals to A plus 19D. What is A2? What is this? 19 minus 6. What is this? 2 plus 9 6. This is minus sign. 9 6 ja 54. This is 114 and this is minus 112. This is the answer for this part. So in this way, do the practice of other questions. Don't forget to give the answer of this question in comment box. Thanks and God bless you.